can diastasis recti be repaired with mini abdominoplasty?
Hi guys, I'm Dr. Iraniha from Surgical Oasis Institute. I would like to talk to you about another way of repairing diastasis recti. Diastasis recti is a separation of the abdominal wall muscle, and sometimes it's associated with the multiple pregnancies, and some of those patients, they develop thinning of the abdominal wall muscles in the front with the separation of the rectus muscle, and they come in with a baby pooch when they're standing, and mostly lower or upper abdomen, or when they crunch, you can see a big bulge in the abdominal wall. And in some of the patients that they don't have that much extra skin and extra fat, such as this lady, you can perform mini abdominoplasty to not only fix the abdominal wall, diastasis recti and hernia, and also tighten the abdominal muscle in the lower abdomen, and get rid of some of the extra skin. And this patient, after 6 months, you can see her tight athletic abdominal wall. We performed a mini abdominoplasty for her, and she's extremely happy that the pooch that she had before is completely gone, and she has a very athletic looking toned abdominal wall. For more information about how we repair diastasis recti, please contact my office at 949-646-8444, or visit my website and YouTube channel at surgicaloasisinstitute.com, and to look at my surgical videos, and also how I repair these type of defects with a variety of techniques.